Credit repair in less than 2 minutes. Let's get into it. First, grab a copy of your current credit report from each of the 3 credit bureaus. You can grab a free report each year from annualcreditreport.com. Now we want to update all of your personal information to make sure it is reporting accurately and you have just your current address reporting. A lot of your derogatory items are attached to these previous addresses, so removing them helps with your dispute process. Next, we want to make sure that we have enough positive credit open, meaning you have at least 2 revolving accounts and 1 installment loan. If you do not have these open, you need to open them up right away. Next up would be going through your credit report to see what negative items are reporting. From there, we want to decide what items you want to remove and what items you would want to potentially settle with. The derogatory items I do recommend settling with are original creditor credit cards. These balances are being put towards your open bills and maxing out your utilization, so they do help to settle with if possible. One other action you can take is looking to see if you have any 30 or 60-day lates reporting within the last 2 years. If you do, try and call that creditor and ask for a goodwill deletion for them to update the late as current. 35% of your credit score is payment history and 30% is credit utilization. So taking these 2 steps will help you with a credit boost immediately. The remainder of the derogatory items we want to work on getting removed. So the best way doing so is sending 1 letter per bureau, listing out the item and what action you want taken. You are literally listing out the account number, the error in reporting, and what action you want taken, whether it is to remove the item or update it. It's that simple. Do not overcomplicate it. Go over these steps to start seeing results right away. Check out this video right here if you want a more detailed guide on how to fix your credit on your own. Once again, my name is Ari Gruman, and I will see you in the next one.